Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share files using Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's just look at how to share files. I'm just gonna go to the Files tab at the bottom of the screen. It's right next to Home. And as you can see, these are the multiple files that are in my Dropbox. Now let's just say I want to share this file, that is One Piece 1. Now here's how you can do it. At the right side of the file, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. As you can see, there are multiple options. But what you guys need to do is simply click on the Share button. You can also click on the Manage Access. You can also click on Manage Access. Well, it's up to you. For now, I'm gonna click on the Share button right here. Now something like this will open up. As you can see, it's giving me two options, share link or export a copy. Well, it's up to you, but right now we only want to share the link. And in the share link section, here's a button like this that says modify settings. Click on it right now. Now it's gonna give you a few options like this, like who has access, anyone with the link, people only invited. It's up to you. And do note that if you have Dropbox Essentials, you can add a password, expiry date, or allowing downloads to your Dropbox file link. And guys, that's it. Once everything's done, simply hit on the copy link button at the bottom of the screen. Just share the link with the person of your choice. And guys, that's about it. That's how we share files using Dropbox mobile application. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.